Clark wa mbunge ya Makueni Kevin Mutuku ni waweta kana vaingo bata monene wa mawali kuma katiba kuikwa OU kana hivi ndani yosa kuwani tuendete mwakani wa 2027 aiweta wuti bata monene kui NND ni wendi wa matongoi wa kwenda kusukumia mawali ku aya kui NND aine na kavindani kakutani ya mwaka wake likuma ikundi ya leo tongoesye ya ka ni kaitu ya mbesi ya Udhukumi Green Park musini wa wote kaunti na Makueni. Kevin ni waweta mawali kuma katiba mailite kumana na NND NDT atongoi mulei mulinge na mauvo
ainena na andikima mavoti na wachathiki Clark Kelvin Mutuku wanda atongoi kwa kana na mutu wa kutumia kithui kusukumia mawaluko lame kuyanesha mawendi mo bagu etakana vaina vata manene wa katiba kuikiwa mawaluko tandu manene wa minister vaadhi ya Kenya Musalia Mudavadi unekuendekethia
to advocate smart democracy ngewa ya kuvinduania how elections see they to iye kwa Kenya. We do not agree with it unless ni by popular vote. Na tuenda kuya tongo imaitu and the president and the members of parliament. Gewa ya kweka siendo na tui bulldoze na tui push NND into decisions because we have been given the power. Ivieta ta tongo. We are not going to allow it. Ivieta kaaneka itu we advocate for democracy. We advocate for andumaitu. Edhabe kendo kikwendekana. Edhabe any constitutional change. Na edhabe a major policy change in the country. Involve mwene. Nono katiba kaitu ni very powerful na kaite kana. At the end of the day and at the beginning of everything. Wasia wa mwene ndino mpaka weke withe utona withu kiwu.
Nikumana na kiva la wenda nende na mono mweka kosa hiviso yende ya kuyandikithia taku makula kuyandikithia kwa wingi. Nikana kuveta hivila ni atongwela methita maia mawendi mombe wa alama NND.
To encourage andumaitu mamuika because ninumba na andumaitu mamuika am a patron to the university students. Now over 70% ya andwazuma ituma muiko na mayao saibande, mayao sakura. And we want to encourage our young people. Please register. Nige ndatu weke kwetha na wasia utaiweka. Nondo the only way wasia kuiweka. Tipu eselanzia ni ingine kwesela walawe kura na kuexercise their democratic right.
Katoa wendekithio mula wekiyoka katiba kaimbia ka Kenya ka mwaka wa 2010 molo toa kana kila tongu elema umevaile idho no moa kakana ila ita wa 2/3 gender rule. Ila oyi ende kwa neyo kaleko kana kaumo kone ka uende kutiwa itina. Kendo kile kundi ya kane kauti ende kusukumia kana kaka mwana kulile kona miana ne otongoi mawea na muvuso lame kumela.
Tuilie in a world where the boy child the species ya kana kaitu kaume ende na kuget threatened. Akwa kitu mijuju nitwe thiwe to investment on the new empowerment ya kana kaitu kaka. Lakini tuolwa ni anake na tuwe maku empower anake maitu nigenda methe mena vinya na methe mena uwezo wakwikala na mwitu usu empowered kumusovea eto kitumi uko na kwe attitudes bingi na siendo bingi siende ku come up, and by so doing it's not only the boy child who is losing but also the girl child is also losing, because then without a boy child and a girl child see at par kana siendete we do not have a society that is balanced. Thirdly, we don't just do politics. We want to empower our young people to ensure kana andumaitu mamuikala mekuma ma universities and elsewhere and colleges nima prepare wakwetha me andu megitumi me andu matona kwetha me ripe kulika then wa job market ito na mayele wa job market ito ya Kenya na beyond na even in the diaspora either I expect andu mailiara nikenda wethi ni twaenda na augment. Recently tuna in recruitment ya jeshi, and a lot of our young people nimana fail recruitment on a drug test, mayekwa drug test. Most of them where they were me and mata likandeni wa jeshi no ndo asindo hizo. Our university students and colleges have involved in very hard drugs. Bangi, buke, skala na ndawo ingesi ya kwetonya na vape na kolombinge. So we want to start rementoring our young people. Nigenda wethe ona mono mato no kwekalo maisha la andu mekala ate na miaka miongo monza miaka miongo na with the generation situ inaenda yana kuthea.
Mutongoi TV kuma wote kaunti ya Makueni nyenetoa mulei Molingam.